Solar power. Firstly, let me teach you one important fact. You may be surprised to listen that sun produces enough energy in a day which the whole world can use for 1 year. That's why we call the sun as powerhouse or energy house. We know that sun produces energy in the form of light and heat. This energy of the sun is called solar energy. We can utilize this energy of the sun in our daily life for different purposes. Now, what is solar power? Well, solar power is the conversion of solar energy to electrical energy using photovoltaic cells or concentrated solar power. I mean, we use two methods like photovoltaic cells or concentrated solar power to utilize solar energy in order to generate electricity. Now, what is photovoltaic cell? Well, photovoltaic cell is a converter cell which converts sunlight to electricity. It is also known as PV cell or solar cell. For example, photovoltaic cell is made up of semiconductor like silicon or boron. When light falls on this cell, electron is ejected. By this way, billions of electrons are ejected from the photovoltaic cells. Now, if we provide conducting path to these photoelectrons, electric current is generated. Thus, by this way, electricity is generated. To simplify this concept further, we can say that sunlight is the fuel for generation of electricity. Therefore, remember that photovoltaic is a solar cell or converter cell which convert sunlight to electrical energy. Here, let me teach you two bonus questions. Does photovoltaic cell stores energy? The answer is no. It doesn't store any energy. It only converts sunlight to electricity. I mean, during daytime, when sunlight is available, the photovoltaic cell would convert it to electrical energy. At night time, no electricity is generated by photovoltaic cell due to absence of sunlight. Also remember that more light means more production of electricity. Let me repeat it. More light means more production of electricity. Secondly, can we store solar energy? The answer is yes. We can store solar energy using electrochemical batteries. During daytime, the solar energy is stored in electrochemical batteries. Later, we can utilize this stored solar energy to provide electricity. Thus, remember that photovoltaic cell is used to convert sunlight to electrical energy and electrochemical batteries are used to store solar energy. Finally, let me teach you that how can we produce electricity using concentrated solar power. Well, it uses mirrors or lenses to concentrate a large area of sunlight onto a receiver. For example, consider this system of concentrated solar power. Here, this mirror is focusing the beam of sunlight on the receiver. This focused beam produces much heat. This heat is then used to create steam. The steam runs the turbines to generate electricity. Thus, by this way, concentrated solar power is used to produce heat energy which would later generate electricity. To summarize my lecture, we learned that solar power is the conversion of sunlight's energy to electrical energy. To do so, we either use photovoltaic cell to generate electricity or we use concentrated solar power to generate heat that run the turbines. I hope that you have learned all about the solar power.